The day has finally come. The Civic is finally gonna get washed. Now before we get on with it, I want to share something with you guys, okay? So hold on. Happy birthday to me, boys! Finally got a power washer, boys. Thanks to my mates, sound lads. Fucking love it. As you can see, the weather is not the greatest, but if we wait for good weather here in Ireland, might as well wait a year or two. So. I switched out to my GoPro. I don't want to damage the camera I have since it's not mine. I have very good friends that borrowed the camera from me, but I don't want to wreck it, so I'm just gonna switch to my GoPro. Hope the quality is good. But boys, we're gonna clean out the interior first. As you can see, there's a lot of junk here. We're gonna clean everything up, throw the unnecessary stuff on the parts into the shed, and give it a good clean on the inside. Wash the, what do you call this again? Well, you know what we call this, yeah? We're gonna give it a good clean, hoover, you know, make it look, I'm gonna wash the seats as well because, as you know, when I had the robbery, the guys bent the door back and I had the rain coming in and stuff like that, long, blah, blah, blah. We're gonna give the interior a good clean first. I'm not gonna bore you with the process, I'm just gonna show you the before and after. So, as you can see, there's a lot of crap everywhere. The seats are really dirty and I have like water stains, dust everywhere. So when you next see this, it's gonna be all cleaned up. Hey, actually I thought I'm gonna give you a quick look of what I found in the little boxes that I had in the back, because I think it's kind of interesting. There's the Integra Type R cluster. It's gonna be going in there. What you think? So much better, right? Now I know it doesn't fit exactly 100%, like you'll have a little hole there in the corner, but guys, it really doesn't bother me that much. I mean, look at this compared to this. So that's gonna be going in soon, so stay tuned, guys. I'm just gonna put it here to the side. A few other goodies. What's this? Yellow speed coilover, tools, some OEM speakers. Oh, look at this. I remember getting this ages ago. Little SI badge for the front grille. I don't know. I might put it on one day. We'll see. What other things? Some lug nuts. I don't know. Oh yeah, spare lug nuts. And some interior trim. What else is here? Legendary gear knob. Good times. Some radio casing. Some cables. Okay, nothing much interesting in this one, but we'll get to this one now. Hold on a minute. Now, this is the interesting box. Let's see what's in here. Oh, I remember this. This was the box that came with my kidney grills. This was my old kidney grill. One got robbed, so I only have one left. Guys, I'm gonna be giving away a lot of these stuff, so subscribe if you don't want to miss a chance of getting these. Like, see, a lot of these. Ooh, legendary games, guys. Best Dragon Ball game till this day. My god, childhood memories. I got all of them. Tenkaichi 2, 3, 1, and look at all this. This is my stepdad's old PC games. Jesus. Got the fender roller. There you are. Lava. It was the most expensive wax I ever bought. It was like 60 or 70 euro. Yeah, I was mad into my paint jobs back in the days. this? OEM Honda grill. What else is in here? Oh, BMW, a special BMW wash and wax. What else? Some old headphone boxes. I'm interested in myself what's in here. What's the very last one there? Ah, my PS3 box. Live in the memory, boys. Interesting stuff in there. So I'm gonna be giving out a few other stuff, like the grill. So I have a few other bits that I won't be using anymore. So subscribe if you want to win. Just something silly. I don't know. I'm not gonna keep them. There's no point selling them for cash. I'm just gonna give them away to my subscribers. So time to fucking, don't be cursing, Greg. What the hell? Time to clean the car. See you in a bit. Well, what you think, boys? She's clean enough. I'm just gonna start the car so the seats can dry up and they won't leave any more stains. It's just not 100% deep clean, but just to make her clean enough. So I'm just gonna jump start the car because battery's dead. Alright, let's see if she starts. Come on, come on. Yes, good girl. Just gonna leave the heating on, let the interior dry up. So let's do it. It's been raining for about I don't know, all morning anyway, so, and it's not looking like it's gonna stop anytime soon. I might wait till the rain comes down a bit. I might wait till tomorrow, we'll see. There's not really point washing it now. I don't want to wreck the brand new power washer I just got. But let me just quickly show you the inside. The car's been running for about 25 minutes now. So we'll see how she looks. Damn it. It's one thing I hate about this seat. Like, all this is gonna leave marks, but at least the other parts are clean for now. Fuel light, handbrake, engine light, all the lights. I'll leave her on for another few minutes. Just turn this off. Yeah, this steering wheel has to go, boys. Well, not now, but after we get her back on the road. Nasty to feel. Dash, clocks, we need to sort out this VTEC, yo. Alright, boys, so we're just gonna continue. Whenever the weather gets a bit better, I'm gonna start with the wash from the outside. So till then, peace out, my friends. Boom. So unfortunately, boys, we didn't finish the cleanup today. It's really windy, it's raining all day, so no problems though. We're gonna finish it the other day, gonna make it a part 2 video. So that's it, boys. I'm gonna go inside now, watch the Champions League match. Come on, Barca. Barca fans, let's go. That's it. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Till then, peace out, brothers.